What up, the YouTube? It's your boy Kevin J. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing these shoe guards. Do these shoe guards really work to keep the creases out of your forces, out of your dope sneakers that you ain't trying to get creased up? Do they work?
Hey, you know when you just want to dream big, you can't let nobody hold you down, man. Don't let nobody stop you from what you.
Alright, y'all, so I wore my forces for 2 times. I only wore them twice. And I got these for them. I wore these in both times. You got, it's like a big toe slide, and it says left or right on each side. So we know we got the left one here, and we got the left shoe. So this pretty much just like pops right on in there. You know what I'm saying? And it's supposed to keep it from getting creased up when you're walking, because you all know we hate getting our forces creased. We don't like no shoe. Who want their shoes to be creased? Especially some beautiful dripped out reds like these, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this in there, and you just bend it, kind of line it up. And it also, oh, real quick, it also got line marks on it too. It's got some line marks on there, so you can cut like a trimming off if it's too tall, if depending on what size shoe you wear, so you can cut it to fit most shoe sizes. So just go ahead and slide these in. Real quick before, let me show you before. That's just me pushing a little bit. I don't want to push too much, I don't mess my shoes up, but that's me pushing a little bit. See it squishing down there, right? All right, so let's go ahead and slot these joints in. See, they do a little different just off the hand test. And you could feel it when it stops. Just slide them in until it get all the way in there. And boom. And I like this guy. It's got these little spikes on the top, so it kind of grips to the top of the shoe, so it don't be sliding around in your foot. We don't want them sliding. So once you get it in there, and you got it in there nice, once you get it in there, and I'm putting a lot more pressure this time compared to the first time. So you can see on the sides, you still get a little smush on the side, but right on the top, man, it's almost like a steel toe. Kinda, not really. It ain't a steel toe, so don't go around kicking steel. But as you can see, it's a whole lot sturdier than what it was before. Now, like I said, I wore these 2 times already. Let me go ahead and put the other one. This is the right shoe, right side, same thing. It's got the open space for the big toe. It's got the right on there. You know what I'm saying? You could trim it. Same thing. We're gonna go ahead and put these in, slide them down. And for me, I didn't have to trim mine. I wear a size 12. I ain't need to trim mine at all. I just put them in right out the box. Once you have them in there, you know what I'm saying, then you're good to go. That's pretty much it. So like I said, I've been wearing them I only wore it like 1 time, really kind of wearing it. And I never really wore them like a whole day just walking around. And it's been 2 days. And as you can see, they're not bad. You know what I'm saying? It's got like a little crease coming right here. A little crease coming right there. But overall, you know what I'm saying? Overall, they're still pretty good. You know what I mean? This is the right shoe. So this one look really nice. It's almost like really no crease on that at all. So I could only imagine if I was wearing them, the amount of time that I wore them, if I wore them like that without the guards in them, man, these things probably toe up already. Could you imagine getting your forces? You just bought your forces, wearing one time, you go out, walk around, and boom, you got all these creases in your leathers. Like, what? Like, Nike need to figure out a way to fix that so it don't crease so quick just in general without having the guards, you know what I'm saying? But this is what we're working with, y'all. So we got that, and go ahead and watch this video of me rocking them You know what I'm saying? If you're interested in buying these shoe guards, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. Also, if you're interested in buying the shoes, I'm gonna leave a link for that in the description below too. So y'all go ahead and copy y'all a pair of these red joints. Go ahead and cop these shoe guards, because if you a sneakerhead, you gonna need them shoe guards.
Yeah, we on the block with it, don't know what you talking about. Got you leaking hard, about to be a drought. Red hat with the mega, check my mental health. Yeah, I'm doing fine, I stacked it on the shelf. I'm in the lack with the beam on them. 2A never slipping, making steam on them. Leotards always tripping, gotta lean on them.